the Eiffel Tower, and that's where he got down. And I was sitting there posing in front of the Eiffel Tower, and then he kind of stepped away at one point, and then he came back in and was whispering sweet nothings in my ear like we've been doing the whole day. And then he kind of just spinned me around, and there he was on one knee with the ring out, and I was shaking, and all my dreams were coming true, and it was just like, are you kidding?
Adri. What do you want?
This side with this.
The ones who inspire us. The ones who make us laugh.
Look, Mama.
Shoulder to lean on. The ones
Look.
and the ones named after us. It takes all kinds of good.
Greg, what do you want?
Yeah.
You want that?